Okay, I'm going to try to walk you through this process. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over here and click on a new tab. If you need birthdays, you can get those in Aries. So you're going to go over here and you're going to click on your picture. And then you're going to come down here to add another account. And Judy and Ophelia so kindly gave us everybody's email address. So what I do is just take out my name and I'm going to type in my students info, which is BEA BDA. BEABDA 83189. So once you have that correct, you're going to click next, and then you're going to enter the password, which is their birthday. So this one is 16, and the birth month is October 08. Make sure it's 2 numbers for both, and then it's AUSD in all caps. You're going to click next. Then you're going to type in whatever you've decided for your password, and you're going to confirm it. And then you're going to click next, and you will be done. So now, let's see here. Now you can see that this student is logged in. They can go to their classroom. And this is where they're going to need to type in your class code. So this is where they'll have to click the plus, join a class, put in your class code, and go from there. Okay, I hope that helps everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. 949-400-5022. Love you all. Have a great evening.